just look at how to check out, how to cash out from your Livegood account, and how to move your money from one credit wallet to the other. So I'm going to click on my earnings. My earnings. When you click on my earnings, assuming you don't have money in your credit wallet, this is credit wallet. This person has done our own credit wallet before. So assuming you have not done yours, this is credit wallet. All you need to do is transfer. You click on this transfer commission to credit wallet. That's the first thing you do. So when you click on transfer commission to credit wallet, you when you read the command whether you do not credit any of my earning. I would like to credit some, or I would like to credit all. So most times you just, if you want to credit all, just use this. Then you click on save. That's all. Next week when they want to pay us, they will pay your money into your credit wallet. Then when you want to move your money, let us see that your money has gone into your credit wallet. So you now want to move your money from your credit wallet. All you do is you go back. Your money would have, if you don't have money in credit wallet, you won't see credit wallet. So you must see money in credit wallet. So when you click on credit wallet, you now click on this credit wallet here, this one here. So when you click on credit wallet, it will show you this way. So now this money, now I want to transfer it. You see transfer to earning. Don't make mistake of putting transfer to earning. Transfer to earning means that you have transferred the money out into earnings. Okay. So what you come here, you need to come and you come to order this select user. You come to order this select user, this ID and username. That's what you need. So now I'm going to put my own ID number here, and I'll put my username. I want to transfer the money into my account so we see it. So I'll click on Love Billion. Then you're gonna come to this one, choose what you want to do. So choose this one. You say choose what you want to do. So I want to do what? I want to transfer credit. So I haven't done that. So how much is in this credit wallet? It has 52.25. So I will click on continue. So I'm going to transfer our 52 into my account. So you can always use this credit log to see. You can use this credit log to see what has happened in your account. This is where you see everything that has happened in your account. So I'm going to come down here. See, it asks me for how much I want to transfer. So I'll put 52. Then I'll click on continue. So he said, okay, you want to transfer this money to Love Billion. So I have said, so I'll just click on issue credit. So you click on issue credit here. So I'm clicking on issue credit. Are you sure you want to issue credit? I will say okay. So the money is gone. So now you won't have money in your account again. So this person has 0.25. Assuming I transferred everything, you will not see credit wallet again when you go to earnings. But once you have any amount in your credit wallet, you always see it. So basically that's how it works. Simple as ABC.